Dragonite will be our first one, then we'll spin the wheel, and then whatever it lands on, we'll probably do a poll and be like, alright, do we want to go with this one, or do you want to re-roll? And if you pick the re-roll, you have whatever it lands on next, you have to go with. Alright, we're gonna spin. What do we got here? Normal. Alright, so I'm gonna put a poll up. And it's just gonna say re-roll, yes or no. Dang, 8 votes right off the bat. Okay, looks like, yeah, I think we're gonna re-roll. Whoop, 60-40, 60-40. Okay, we'll re-roll. All right, but this next one is the one we have to stick with. NASCAR driver style. Oh my, oh no. Oh no, watch it land on normal again. I thought it was going to. You almost, it's like, that was really, it's like, is that anime or furry? But yeah, it said furry, so. Let's see what Sedipto's gonna get. 1, 2, 3. Hunty. Hey, we got anime style.
Mahaha, victory is mine. I blasted away the completion with a tank.
Hunty! Looks like it's a no on the reroll. Here's the reference image. This is what Zelver's avatar looks like. I'll put him right up in the corner there. I'm gonna spin the wheel. FNAF! That's a good one. This should be interesting. Alright, I'm gonna put the re-roll poll up in the chat. Dang, 67% re-roll? What? What's wrong with you?
Something's wrong, I feel it circling like vultures around my brain. Couldn't see the danger in your eyes. Draw me in, got me spinning now like water to a drain. You were perfect till I realized you hadn't shown your face. You sing a pretty song to drag my heart along, a siren serenade. You're ringing out your praise. Your love's a wrecking, you know it's wrong. I was deaf to the ring.
Who's up next, right? Yeah. All right, let's spin the wheel. Horror, nice. Actually fits your style. We gotta throw the re-roll poll in. Friday Night Funkin. Okay, this should be interesting. This should be an interesting one.
Came up short today. Feels like I fell 1,000 times. Nothing but doubt to flood my mind. 'Cause sometimes it's hard to remember why I ever started racing with my dreams. A restless December, feeling I was meant for more than I believed. I'll never surrender, rather try and fail and fall 1,000,000 times. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I know as close as I am now, I will struggle, I will shout. There's no stopping, there's no doubt. I'm on my way. There's no stopping, there's no doubt. I'm on my way. I swear I meant to do this. I'm told that love would never lie. Where my head has met my heart.
This should be fun. We're gonna spin the wheel for Bobby's avatar. 3, 2, 1. Let's see what we get. Pokemon! Oh, that should be a fun one. All right, I'm gonna do the re-roll poll. All right, no re-roll, no re-roll. Okay, we're gonna draw Bobby as a Pokemon. We're gonna draw Bobby as the most adorable Pokemon ever. guys want to do this again soon, we'll try to get some more avatars here and do another round of them.